here we go. Well, good morning, everybody. We are officially 1 week away from when we're going to start digging. We got to get water on the spuds. We water them about a week out before we get digging. Got to rehydrate the spud. The ground is dried out. We need the ground to be hydrated as well. Well, need it to be a little bit wet as we dig. So we're just walking over here to grab the commander, and then we're gonna load up and head out to go start moving those wheel lines. We're finally loaded up. Took a minute, had to get the welder loaded up. We got a riser got to fix, so let's get going. We're behind schedule. We're supposed to have high winds. Not a good day for water. We're getting the wheel lines rolled back into place, get them started. Got one hooked up. Skylar got the other one moved back. Got this one moving. Philip's welding. Skylar's rolling that wheel line over there. Even got Hopalong out here moving wheel lines. His broken foot, so hopefully one day his foot can get better and he can be back normal. Well, Philip got the riser welded up. Got the wheel lines running. Started the pivot. Hopefully the wind will stay down for a little while, but I doubt it. This afternoon is supposed to hit 30-mile-an-hour winds and supposed to stay that are clear through the night, so yeah, that's not good for water. Got the wheel lines moved, and they're actually about going off right now, so we're gonna wait for them to drain, and then we're gonna go move them, get in another set. But right now we're working on the generator. We're wiring this up. We're gonna pull power back from the lugs back here, run wire up into here, and then I'm putting 4 breakers on the front. And this is what we're actually gonna plug the air sep in and the tub into. The air sep takes 2 cords and the tub takes 1, so that's what the 3 breakers are for, and the 4th one's just an auxiliary breaker just in case we need to use it for something else. But where this is 480, there's not too many other uses we can use it for. So this is our project today. We've got to have this done so we can use that equipment, get it moved out. It's really windy today, so we're trying to do stuff in the shop, try to stay out from outside. Sounds like the wind's picked up outside. Are doing much good at this point. Just sent Skylar over to go turn off the pivot. We were watering those spuds. That's pretty much pointless at the moment too, so we'll just shut it down. Have to wait until tomorrow. It's supposed to have high winds all night. It's supposed to hit about 30-mile-an-hour winds with gusts up to 50, so watering's pretty much pointless. That's why we're working on this. We've got our side supports here made, our trough for our electrical wire to put our junctions in there, hang our breakers here. It's coming along. Just glad to be inside today. The wind's picked up bad enough that we got tree branches falling down everywhere. So we're gonna run out. I mean, this just doesn't even do it justice. We're actually grabbing a couple T-posts. We're gonna go stake down some wheel lines. We have some drops that have started blowing away. We're gonna go stake those down. Our one wheel lines still have water going through them, so we're not too worried about them blowing away until the timer goes off, and then they won't have water anymore. But they're not doing any good. Watering. The potatoes aren't getting any water, so joys of Idaho. Well, here we go. It's a little bit windy out here. Well, we got stakes on those drops. Philip's coming back. Whew. We're gonna go check on some other wheel lines, and hopefully they're still in place. The power went out, and we haven't had power for a couple hours. We went and staked those wheel lines, came back, still no power. We've turned everything off, but it is what it is at this point. We got the breakers hung, the bracket made, but I can't cut the conduit because I don't have a bandsaw, and I can't run wire until I cut the conduit. So we're kind of at a standstill until I can get some power back. Can't really do much of anything else either without power, so I'm gonna go home and go see what the damage is. I've had a bunch of little limbs come out of my trees at home, but hopefully nothing big. We still have had bad winds all night. They've actually canceled schools in our area because of power outage. Skylar hasn't had power. He still doesn't have power. Phillip says he got power back this morning. Come by one of our fields right now. We've got a pine tree tipped over in the field. So that's not good. I'm gonna go drive around and hopefully find out if we still have all of our wheel lines. We'll see. It looks like the wheel line survived on our winter wheat field. Well, my window's really dirty. One field's good. Let's go check on the other ones. So it looks like our wheel lines hopefully have survived. That's one good thing. It looks like we inherited a watering trough. No, I shouldn't say we inherited. It's just someone has one that's misplaced. I don't have any need for one. I don't want it. Well, we still don't have power here at the shop. My uncle's got a backup generator hooked up to feed his house, which is tied into the same circuit as this shop. We still don't have power here. We're running on backup generator outside. Moved outside because I was tired of breathing in the fumes and getting asphyxiated. We've got the generator all wired up. All panels are on. We only did 3. I haven't done this one yet. That one's just kind of an extra that we have on for convenience. I don't have to have it for harvest, so I'm not worried about it just yet. If I get time, I'll wire it up, but I got a lot of other stuff to get done. We've got everything wired up inside. Fuses put in, cables ran, put the ends on the cables, hop-alongs hopping. We've got to figure out how we're gonna carry the cables because we've hard mounted them to the generator, and so I don't know what the best way. I think we might just loop them up and just carry them down through the side. Might put some hooks on here somehow to hang it, make sure it doesn't come down. Hopefully it's gonna work. We'll find out in the morning. I'll pull it outside, we'll hook it up to probably the tub, maybe the air set. We'll see which one I feel ambitious to hook it up to. But see, we've got this one set up. We've got 2 cords on this side and we've got them both sitting in here. I still know how much I trust to drive down the road and not have these fall out. That's probably not the best system. I'll have to figure something better out. I'm tired and beat. We've been out doing wheel lines. Skyler got soaked by the pivot. Pivot was watering while he was doing wheel lines, so he's soaked. He's ready to go home. I'm ready to go home. I think it's time to call it a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm not even gonna say please because Skyler says makes fun of me for saying please. So
smash it, smash the like and subscribe. You know you want to.
There you go. Anyways, we'll catch you guys later. So